Morning everyone and welcome to Strange Learnings. So today we are going to talk about AI ebook generator. So basically if you go to YouTube, okay, and try to go to any AI ebook or link, okay. So if I do AI ebooks and you see there are people making a lot of money around AI ebooks, okay. But if you go around there are a lot of automations available, but they don't generate whole for you. You have to do some manual process and all of that. And but there is one of video that is generating AI books, and that actually is a good video.
Deliver
And
at
you can
AI
say,
speed with Wix Studio.
okay, and you can say that this is one of the reference video that I use. This is one of the video that made me feel like I should try it. And this has running business from it, okay. So they have this website where AI-Books.xyz. I'm not sure if it is running right now, but yeah, they were making a good amount of money out of that because they have monetized it. But today we are going to talk about this project which is created by Codestem Technologies. And in this video, we will be taking up all of the code base understanding, how this code base works, and what are the things that has been included. And also you see this was paid till now, but after this video this is going to be available for free on store.codestem.com. I'll share this link in the description. You can check it out after the live has ended. Okay, right now we have the video link for store. You can check it out. If you don't want to get the actual understanding of the source code, you can just go to that link, get to that project and get it. Okay, and if you want to understand the source code, let's get to that point right now. So we have API right here, or it is written in Python, and then we have the front end that is in Next.js. Okay, so for the first and most important thing is I'm not going to cover the front end part, because obviously you know that is something that doesn't require any kind of understanding. That is something you should understand yourself, because front end is nothing but a designing thing. And then we have this where we are talking about creating the API. Okay, so here we have configured Gen AI. You can also use ChatGPT with the same. And then we have a retry function right here. Okay, I'm just covering up on the most basic level. Okay, then we have a generator that is responsible to generate content on passing the prompts. Okay, now coming to the main section of this where we are generating the actual content for the book. Okay, so first we are generating chapter outline. So basically what we are doing, we are trying to get a format in which we can generate the chapters. For example, we are trying to get a JSON file with the chapter name, its subsection names, and further as the book is required. Okay, and then we are generating the prompt and saving it on the response. Okay, and it is returning this response. Now we are going to strip it because you know, when we are receiving the JSON file, we have some additional spaces as well. That causes problem when we are trying to resend it as a prompt. Okay, now if you see then we have this section, write books to PDF. Now this is not only the part. Now here comes the thing. For here we are passing it a prompt right here. Okay, so you see chapter name, that is what we are doing here. From the data that we generated right here in this section to generate the chapter outline, we are passing it to this section. Okay, so if you see right here, we have chapter name, subsection, and chapter item. Okay, in chapters dot item. So basically the chapters generated right here is going to be passed here. Now here we are going to do is we are going to pass in the prompt that we want to generate the chapter outline for the same, and this is how we have done in this one. Okay, now this is can be considered as the basic version of this AI ebook generator. But now when coming to the point that can it be more advanced, yes, it can be, where you can use LangChain to advance the prompting in here. But that is something that will make it more complex. Rather than trying this one, keeping it very simple, it is going to generate a very fine book that can be very helpful. Okay, but now the thing is, you have to be sure when using this. Okay, so this is the interface that we are talking about. So we have a topic of the book. This is the title of the book. Okay. And then what is the topic of the book? So basically, if we are talking about animation, and if I say computer science, and who is this book for? So basically it is for students in high school. Okay, if we say that, and then we tell what number of chapters we want. For example, if I say for right now we want 3 chapters and number of subsections, that is one chapter must have how many sections in it. So for now let's consider it 2 so that it can be generated fast. Okay, and now if we generate, you can see we are generating the book right here, and after that it will be generated. We will get a download link right here which will help us to download that book. Now that link is shareable, so if you are generating the book right here, you can share it with anyone with the same link, but that will be deleted if you update this code. Okay, for now the code is in a sense where no ebooks will be deleted that is ever generated. Okay, you will have links to every ebook that has been ever generated in this, but because of that we are using file stack that has some limitations for free charges. So if you want to store a lots of books, then you can do is you can make a premium account for file stack and then you can get it. Okay, so there is some issue with the API, and now this thing occurs just because I'm running it locally. Okay, so it refresh itself again and again as it is in a versal file format. That is why what we have to do is we have to refresh that. Now after the refreshment, let's generate it again, and you see it has started working. Now this thing is occurring in the local environment where I was discussing about it. So that is why, because we are using versal format for the same. Okay, so now see in the previous prompt that we passed, we have generated book here, right? That is the book for animation, that is 3 chapters with 2 subsections. You see we have one subsection here and the second subsection here. Now the point comes, why was the issue that we were not able to fetch? Now that it was because we were not able to generate the file stack link that we were trying to get. Okay, and we have that error again. And this is something, it might feel like this can be solved, but there is no issue onto that. Just because we have retry function here is causing the issue. If we just remove this, this will be everything cleared right now. Okay, so now if we generate again, it will go to that, but we have to keep that retry function because in some scenarios it might happen that your internet connection might lag up, or it might happen that the book that was generated has some name issues while uploading or size issues while uploading. So that is why we have retry function included in that, so we cannot skip that. Okay, so I'll recommend to keep that, but I have removed it right now, but it will work if you have it hosted on any API or any server. Okay, and now coming to the main and most important section of this program, that is generating the PDF. Okay, so the basic thing is, if you generate a ebook, the most mattered thing that was in this is that you have to make sure that the PDF looks good. Okay, so you see we have got the download link. After the program has completed, we have removed the retry function as mentioned, but I won't recommend to do that. Okay, so keep it as it is. Now if you download PDF, you can see we have shareable link that can be shared to anyone. Okay, you can just if you see this on the stream, you can go to this link and this will take you to this ebook. Okay, and you see this is generating a fine ebook, but you can also edit the PDF generator in this program so that you can get a more beautiful precise view with your brandings all around in this PDF and all. So this is what actually this program is doing, and this source code for the whole project is available for free on CodeStem store. You can go and get it. Okay, and also if you are having any issues with any sections, you can mail directly to the CodeStam's contact mail and they will respond you within the time, so that you can understand how if you can solve this error, or if you want to get more advanced version of this project, if you want to customize it, you can get it right there. Okay, So this is all in this stream that we were talking about is AI ebook generator. This is one of a very good business that we are talking about. That is now let's come to that point about making a business out of this. Okay, so we had a look at the program. Now let's take a look at what business this can make us. Okay, so if we go to just AI ebooks, now you see this says ebook gold mine, and this person making $2,64,340 every year, and also this is the the exact hour life. Okay. And also now moving on further, there are lots of tutorials that were talking about that ebooks can generate a lot of money. You see 1 month ago, and he's earning 50,000 NR per month from AI ebooks. Now that is what you can do. You can make a business out of this. Now, as I mentioned, I got reference from the person right here to make this project, and the point that he said that in a story where Americans found gold, and the people who were making the most money out of it, who were selling shovels. So that was the thing that made me feel like I should also try this, and I should also share this so that people can also try to enhance their business out of this. Okay, so you can just get the source code, advance it yourself, update it yourself, and if you want to get it customized, you can contact to codestamp.com, and they will help you customize it as per your needs. Okay, so that was it in this video, and I have covered all aspects about how this project is working in the backend, what are the things that you can edit and update in this, and how are you going to specifically make money out of it, and how much profitable business this is right now. So we have covered all of these aspects, and we haven't covered the front end because front end is something about the designing. That all depends on how you are going to design it and develop it. So that was it in this video, and check out CodeStamp store if you are looking for more projects on different streams. Okay, so we have these two projects available for free right now. This will be paid, converted to paid projects anytime. Okay, till then you can explore these projects around in this store, and that is it. Okay, so that was all in this video, and I would recommend everyone to try this AI ebook thing because this is free for now. I am not sure how long CodeStam is going to keep it for free after this live. So that is it, okay. And also you can do comment about your projects that you are thinking about, that you want to develop or you want to make. We will work together on it and we can make it. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.